the fans got together and they collected $10,000 and we gave it to this program. And that would have been it, except everybody got such a good feeling out of it that they wanted to make something more permanent.
I was there. Yeah.
They wanted it to, you know, be something a little more permanent. And so I thought about, you know, how we should focus ourselves, you know, of all the things that we could do, and we decided that we wanted to be an advocacy group for getting music education into public schools again. So that's essentially what the Spirit of Harmony is about, to raise awareness of programs like this and to try and give them the ammunition that they need if they need to go out and get funding or something like that. We have an advocacy toolkit that they can use to go to people to find funding, and also connecting together, forming networks and connections between different programs so that they can help each other as well. Success stories and things like that are always a valuable tool. So that's kind of what we're about. We're not an endowment organization. We don't fundraise all the time. Pretty much only to, you know, for our operating expenses, because a single program can run into the thousands and sometimes millions of dollars if it covers enough kids. And those programs need local support. They, you know, you can make an argument. Exactly. They need local support. So you guys being here obviously is an important aspect of that, because you will take the message forward as well to, you know, to the school districts and whoever has the power to make these programs a permanent part of a basic education. So anyway, we want to thank you all for coming. We want to thank Quaker Steak and Lube for their support.
Yeah.
They're going to be wrapping our bus for the next time we go out on tour.
Really?
So,
We're going to look like rock stars.
yeah, we look like a real band. We get a bus wrap. So yeah, this is it's working out great so far, because they have so many locations, and we're going to try and do the best that we can to get the most out of this alliance. So we want to thank you guys again.
Well, we thank you.
Yeah, so we taste the wings.
Yeah. Here we go. Got your wag ready?
My new lipstick.
There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. You like
It's a
it?
little
really
spicy,
good.
but
A little bit?
I like it.
Whoa, you say it's spicy.
No, it's a little bit spicy.
All right.
I can handle it.
You're gonna eat all that.
We'll share.
Actually, I don't eat before a show.
Right, this is a very unique experience.
I'll be Belgian chicken wings.
There any burps,
And hot sauce.
It's a show.
We'll understand.
I'm
Inspired
gonna
by...
take them with me so I can eat them after the
Yeah.
show.
There you
And we have a 20-hour drive, so we're not going to share.
go. So we really appreciate you and your supporting of music education. Quaker Steak, as you know, if you haven't had a chance to come join us, please do. We love live music. We love entertainment. We love to help young folks keep music alive and keep it going in our communities.
What's the lube part there?
This would be Quaker Steak. Lube is our beverages.
Your beverages.
They're often leaded. But we do have unleaded as well. So.
I get it.